What is going on, everyone? Welcome to my trade recap for Halloween. I hate Halloween. I really do not enjoy it. But it has been another no trading day. It is like 10:42. I'm just calling it. I ain't trading anymore. It's too late in the session. System once again did not produce a setup for me, so I did not take one. Now I am not going to change my strategy because I have no reason to. Right? Why would I change my strategy? It's been 2 days where it hasn't given a setup in not very nice conditions. But as you can see, I've had a win this week, last week, win, win, win. The week before, win, win. Start of this month, flawless week. And most of the losses that I've been taking recently have been my mistake, not the strategy's mistake. So the system and the strategy works. And I'm proud enough and disciplined enough to say to myself, right, no setups, no trades. So it's been 2 days in a row now, two no trading days. And price action has been horrible. Today I tried to record a live trading video. So I was just pressing record when price was giving some compliments to give me a trade to try and catch myself taking the trade live. Um, and I ended up with about 40 minutes worth of footage of me like sitting and waiting. To be honest, it was 40 minutes of me sitting at my front of my computer. Because there was a few opportunities. Well, there was the beginning of a few opportunities, and then there was no final execution points. So therefore, my strategy did not give me a trade to take. So therefore, no trades have been taken. I'm sure the live trading video would have been quite funny to watch. I ended up singing "Thick of It," and that my doorbell went off, and I gave you guys a fit check. That was all in the live trading. That's all in the footage that I did record. But I did not. I've just deleted it all. I'll still give a picture though because this hoodie, I love this hoodie. Literally from Pull and Bear. It's it's got a little pattern on the back. It's a double black. Where like it's a wicked kind of fit. Really goes hard. Still got a boot on my foot as my foot is still broken, but it is nearly fixed. I think I've got a week left in Le Boot. But enough yap. Let's keep this trade recap, which is a no trading day, nice and short, nice and sweet. I will get rid of everything and redraw everything. Rid of all of this. Get rid of all of this. Mark on 9:30. So, no pre-market video as I didn't do one. I was eating lunch. I was at the charts eating chicken and rice. But let's jump right in. So I had these 1 hour lows, which were equal lows with these lows, equal lows from pre-market. And then over to the very far side, I had these 4 hour lows, these lows, and these lows. Did those lows get hit? No, we were close. But I had these lows marked out on my chart on ES, and then to the upside, 1 hour highs, which were data highs from 8:15 news, 8:30 news, sorry. And then I waited for this news anyway. Oh. But ES, this is what I was looking at. I had all these 4 hour imbalances marked out as well because they weren't touched into yet either. And several 1 hour highs, but they don't matter anymore. Market opened and we sold off. So immediately on ES, took out those 1 hour lows, the equal lows, took them out. And then gave a 5 minute up candle. We broke 1 minute structure on ES right here. And then gave a 5 minute retrace candle, closing at 9:45. The news came out and then just sold off. No trades here. Then ES came down to those 4 hour lows, nothing. And then these 1 hour lows, and then gave a up candle reaction out of there. breaking 1 minute structure at 10:17. Let's jump into NQ now. So on NQ, what was I looking at? Again, the same thing. 1 hour lows right here. 1 hour highs, which are the data highs. And then there was 4 hour lows right here. And then these 4 hour lows down there. So market opened, sold off to these 1 hour lows and these 4 hour lows. Not a single up candle. When ES was giving that first setup that I spoke about, giving that break of structure right here, NQ did not break structure at all. Here's the high, did not close above it. Did inverse this imbalance, but there was no 1 minute break of structure at all. And then price continued selling off. 9:45 news came out here. Just more dump. Not a single 5 minute up candle until 10:15 on NQ. That is crazy. So NQ took out those 1 hour lows over here. Did not get any lower. There was this 1 hour imbalance, but it did get closed beneath. So I just got rid of it as well. And then out of nowhere, buying pressure at 10:15 when ES swept out those lows I spoke about. And then there was an NQ breaker structure at the same time, 10:17. And I was like, wow, okay, we might be getting along now. And then I'm like, right, awesome, imbalance right here. 5 minute retrace candle closes at 10:25. When this candle closes, so I'm like, right, after this candle I can look for entry. I can get on that 5 minute equilibrium. This candle, Wicks equilibrium, oh, closed by the imbalance. No more long on ES off that imbalance really. And then price kept going. No confluences. NQ gave a 5 minute retrace candle here, closing at 10:30. Get that 5 minute equilibrium drew on. We did inverse this imbalance on the way up, and this one, made this one, inverse this one and this one, and then there was nothing. There was absolutely nothing. No 1 minute confirmations, no, nothing, just nothing. I was sat here staring at the chart again, and no trades taken. But that is important. It's important to have days like this. So Monday, I was away from the charts. A setup did come. I didn't take it because I was not on the charts. I was traveling home, so no trades Monday. Tuesday, one trade, winning trade, plus 1.3%. Wednesday, no trades. Today, no trades. It is shaping up to be a one trade this week, which is absolutely fine. Because I have managed to train my brain to build satisfaction from building good habits. And, well, I have been practicing good habits of not taking setups that aren't in line with my system, staying away in improbable conditions. So I am very satisfied with myself today because I have practiced my good habits. I have been defensive. I've waited. I've been patient. I did not take a trade at all. I actually stayed focused on the charts today as well. So I am happy with another no trading day. As you can see, I mean, if you don't know anything about my system, a low swept after 9:30 means I'm only looking for longs. No shorts are being looked for today as there was no high swept after 9:30 open. You can see right here. No high swept after 9:30 open. We just sold off and just sold off and then just sold off with some more. So no longs taken from me today. ES either. There was really nothing at all. The 5 minute up candles we were using. The 5 minute up candles we were using were actually just pullbacks in the downtrend, not a reversal, which is fine. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. But after a pretty extensive move anyway, longs wouldn't have been reasonable. Even if a long was to present itself, I would not have targeted those highs from before market open. I would have literally just targeted somewhere really close because there was no need to be greedy after such a heavy move down, Heavy move down, chop, chop, chop. Heavy move down, chop, chop, chop some more. Bit of buying pressure, and then continuation of the downtrend. So no trades. Again, satisfied though because I practice good habits. I've been defensive, practicing my defensive game. Just obviously in trading, there's got to be times where you've got to be offensive, where you go heavy, high quality setups, go heavy, have faith in your system, have conviction. But days like today, your defensive side of your trading must be really important as well. Staying out of the market, knowing when to stay out, not having temptations to press buttons or just entering a trade. Only the high quality setups and good risk management. And honestly, trading is all about survival and growing the account through taking good trades, and protecting and preserving your capital. Capital preservation comes first, and that is what we've done today. That's what we've done yesterday. So it's another no trading day, but I am satisfied with how I have managed it. Good decision making. That being said, guys, I will catch you all in the next one. Peace out.